what birds do, what they eat. Yeah, sure. They'll take anything. Predators will take anything. If they've got the opportunity to take something, they'll take it. There was a case in Hungary, outside this cave in Hungary, and there was somebody observed great tits eating bats. They're taking bats, killing them, eating bats. That's anything can happen. In the winter, a kestrel, plastic red shark.